Please, please, please let there be a Natasha Denona palette in there for me, please. Hi everyone, it's Marina and welcome back. I have an admission to make. I did not have any intention of shooting a video today. I have a bunch of errands that I need to run, and of course, as I'm heading out the door, the FedEx truck pulls up, the driver comes out and hands me these. I have never received my base box and my premium on the same delivery trip. I usually receive one early in the month and one late. So kind of a bonus that I get both of them on the same day. But today I'll be focusing on the base box for November. I'm really hoping that the Natasha Denona palette is in here. I've seen a lot of people who have received it and a lot of people who haven't, and I'm hoping I am on the receiving end and that the BoxyCharm gods have graced me with that palette. And if you're interested to find out if it's in here, stay tuned. For those of you that are unfamiliar with BoxyCharm, it is a monthly subscription service and it contains items such as cosmetics, skincare, or lifestyle products. The base box is $25 a month, of which you receive 5 products, and one of those products you're able to customize for yourself. So let's get into it. Oh, okay. I just saw some Natasha Denona coupons in there. I guess that's a consolation prize for maybe not getting the palette. I don't know yet. But anyway, this month's theme is Harvest. You receive a card with the name and description of the products that you get, and I received variation number 33. I'm not going to look at the products that are included because I really just want to be surprised, and I'll just dig my hand in and start pulling stuff out. So as I said, there were some Natasha Denona coupons in there. They're for 25% off, and you basically visit the natashadenona.com website and you can use the NDBoxy code, and you'll be able to save 25% on all your Natasha Denona favorite items. As usual, there is some packing material, and this time it is bubble wrap instead of the foam. Not sure why, but there is a box that is wrapped up, and the Peak palette, then yay! I got it! Yay! Thank you, BoxyCharm. Thank you. I am so excited for this palette. It is a BoxyCharm exclusive. Not to say, oh, it's beautiful. Not to say that you can't get these colors from Natasha Denona, but they are in other palettes. So if you wanted these colors all in one palette, getting it through BoxyCharm was the only way to do it. So thank you, thank you. I did shop the pop-up store and this was not available for purchase. I did purchase the cranberry version just in case I didn't get this. I can wear this all day, every day. And I'm pretty certain I'm gonna hit pan on most, if not all of these colors. Okay, so let's get rid of this packing material here. The next item in the box is the Yenza Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask plus 8 Super Orange Essence. That's a mouthful. I've never heard of this brand before, but turmeric seems to be the ingredient of the year. You see it on social media where people are making drinks out of it, some kind of smoothie or cleanse, and now I'm seeing it in skincare. So polishing mask with winter coming up. It's not so cold here in Southern California, but the weather is getting drier. So a polishing mask is something that I'll probably need a little bit later on. So I'm excited to see what this product does and how my skin reacts to it. This is a 2-in-1 mask infused with 8 orange skin loving ingredients to help nourish and polish your face for a hydrated, smooth and supple and radiant complexion. And who doesn't want that? The lightweight and exfoliating formula resurfaces skin in only 5 to 10 minutes. So that's great because we don't have a lot of time. And this retails for $45. The next item in the box is the Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. Once again, I've never heard of this brand, but I'm always open to using new cleansers during certain times of the year. You either need one that's a little bit more moisturizing and doesn't strip everything off your skin, including all the oils off your face. This cleanser retails for $28, and it says cleansing properly can be the difference between healthy skin and problem-prone skin. This gentle sulfate-free cleanser, which is important, sulfate-free, contains no harmful ingredients and keeps your skin barrier intact. So you can start your routine right with skin that feels deeply cleansed, refreshed, and hydrated. So if it does what it says, I might be purchasing this moving forward. Next item in the box is from Alamar, and this is the Pero Primero Primer, a long wear sticky pigment base. A water-based primer designed to glue your eyeshadows in place, and to maximize color and pearl dimension. It's water and wear resistant and enriched with shea butter to provide skin conditioning and moisturizing benefits. It also works as a glitter glue. Once again, glue. So if I use this, my eyeshadow better not move, right? Anyway, it also works as a glitter glue, and you mix it with your favorite concealer to customize the primer's shade. Okay. I'm usually not one to use a primer on my lids, but if it's going to glue my eyeshadow, whether it be a shimmer or a glitter, it's something that it's something that I would be willing to use, and this retails for $15. The next item in the box is from Milk Makeup, and this was my choice item. This is the Kush Waterproof Mascara, and I love trying different mascaras. I used to have lash extensions, and I love them. Unfortunately, I developed an allergic reaction to the adhesive, and I had to have them removed. And so now I either have to go with fake lashes or try to find a great mascara. So I'm always on the look for new mascaras that are going to lengthen and volumize. So I've never tried this mascara, so I'm excited that BoxyCharm had this as an option as choice. This mascara retails for $24, and it is a waterproof intense black mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers. Heart-shaped? Okay. And conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil. So my lashes are going to get a lot of love with the heart-shaped fibers and feel kind of happy from the cannabis seed oil. I don't really know, but I'm really looking to try this, and if I get any of what it claims, the thickening I would go for. Heart-shaped fibers, not really sure what that's all about, but okay. And hemp-derived cannabis seed oil. Not really sure what that does for your lashes, but I'll give it a shot. So that's all 5 items in this month's base box. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. And if you like this video, please smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as it really helps my channel grow. So until the next time, bye everyone.